Good morning, guys. Hope you're all doing well. Today is Friday. It is just before 7 a.m. Today's video will be a continuation of the last video where we complete all the shingling that we had prepped yesterday. So we're just waiting on Miss Henna. We got the truck loaded up. We do not need the trailer this morning, so let's get on the road. How you doing? You want to say hi?
Hello. Good morning, everybody.
No, the other thing, like when we get on the road. What's the thing?
Time lapse.
And
off we go.
cue the time lapse.
Oh, cue the time.
Alright guys, just pulling up to the job site. Beautiful morning today. Today is installation day for solar vents, or at least 3 of them. Put that back before you...
Yeah. Could you put...
I think I'll just leave all of our accessories down here until we're ready for them. We still got a bit of cutting work to do up there. Okay.
Sorry, uneven ground.
It's not too bad. It's just lots of bits and pieces.
Yeah.
Most of it's in the bin. Yeah. Well, we'll go shingle for a little bit and work our way up to the vents. I gotta get my shoes. Just got assaulted by a stick. We'll need to bring the saw up, Johnny. How do you set up the saw ponies? Yes.
You do stuff like that all the time if I wasn't around.
That is false.
That is not false.
Oh my goodness. You like your tool belt? You try it today?
Yeah.
I almost thought about stealing it yesterday.
Oh, flowers.
Put on a new blade. Thank you for the assist, Miss Henna.
You're so welcome.
Get on your company hat. Huh? You ain't wearing a company hat.
Oh, I just grabbed a black hat from the back seat.
Yeah.
Four-seater?
You got the keys, right?
Yeah, I do.
All right, well, camera's in there, so... Okay. You got your pitch floppers already. Nice. Now I got a little platform for my drone. Coming lander. We like that. Okay, now let's hold this flag back so it doesn't get all caught up in the propellers. Okay, that's all set up. Now when you hear that thing going beep, 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 let me know.
Okay.
That means it's about to slide itself. At least we got these bottoms on, that's nice. Hey! All right, first shingle of the day, folks. Working with these beautiful Landmark Pros. Did you hear that guy yelling?
Yeah, I did hear the guy yelling.
What was he yelling?
I did not hear what he was yelling. All I heard was he was yelling.
Yeah, that was really confusing. I did not know what was going on there. Just look over and this guy's like... That went right in my mouth. Hoyo! Merci beaucoup. Hang on. Don't, no, from the ground.
Danger, Will Robinson, danger!
Is it recording? Is it recording? Is it recording? Push up. Hey. Do I look cool? We're almost ready for event, Johnny 5. Just keep feeding me, Johnny, and then we'll go down together because I gotta go get caulking. I think it's in the truck and all that fun stuff.
Okay.
And we want lots of overlap on our shingles here because we might have some rain over the course of the weekend.
We'll set you up with one of those afros that you can see from space. You hear that? That's the call of the solar vent. They want to. They want to so bad.
Okay, we'll get our venti poo. All right, guys, well, we got this section of roof mainly done. We're gonna do some video work for our Four Seasons vents. This is the first time we're using them. So we're gonna go ahead and film that. That'll be kind of a side video apart from this one. And then we're just gonna go shingle this side. And then we'll possibly do the back porch. We're gonna see how it goes. I mean, it's pretty simple work back there, so I don't think it would really be a problem. What time is it? It's only 10:45. I gotta go get some roofing screws. Should probably get some gas while I'm out. So you guys can just hang out down here, I guess, finish up the cleanup. And then I'll be back.
I think this is stuck to the shingle.
Okay, guys. So I gotta run out. I gotta go get some roofing screws. We need some more fuel. Okay, guys. Well, I've gotta go run out, grab some roofing screws. I've gotta get some more fuel. We're not out, but kind of preemptively, since I'm already going out, I might as well grab some. Just pulling up the Home Hardware. Hey, how you doing? Morning. Those are pretty short. 1.5 inches. Yeah, we probably should have some. Awesome, thank you. Take care. Well, I just realized that I have a massive gaping hole in my shoe. That's great. Not like these were super expensive boots to begin with, but or shoes, but they well, it looks like we'll have to get a new pair. Howdy, howdy. So how's Miss Henna doing?
Hey, why not?
Hello,
Doing good?
people.
Very good.
Yeah.
Do you mind just cranking the compressor when you get over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Johnny, I'm just gonna have you go help Henna while I do some filming. Guys, well, we just finished up with Four Seasons, I guess, promo, whatever you want to call it, but that is her installed, so it looking pretty good. Yeah, happy with how that all turns out. It's a great looking vent, and solar powered, baby, solar powered. So we're gonna, I guess we're pretty well good to go. We're gonna go start on our hips now. We still have 2 more of the 4 seasons to install today. On this side, we're gonna go finish shingling all that. I'm gonna go cut some hips for us so that we can continue on. Alright, got our 6-inch stagger. Throw that on the ground. First starter going down. Oh boy. Okay, well, I think we're gonna go for some lunch. When we come back, we'll finish shingling this up. We'll put in our 2 other vents. We got a bit more filming to do as well with those vents, and that'll be pretty much it for today. Oh yeah, just disintegrated my knife blade. Well, I can't be too surprised. Pretty high drop. All right, Miss Hannah and I just got back from some lunch. Nice slice of pizza. Yeah, pizza was kind of a bad idea, but
Feeling it.
yeah, we'll be
We'll be fine.
we'll be all right.
Yeah.
All right, let's get some shingles on. Coming up on our pipe boot. Nope, we are all good. Got it. Whoa, she's a little windy. Take our wet wipe. Give this all a little wipe down. Inside of the sleeve, a nice wipe down. So we take this, make sure our pinch collar's on nice, and that's good to slide on down. Man, that's a really tight fit.
You got the hand nails then?
Yeah. Make a little trough, cut this corner. another course, Johnny. Another course, another course.
Oh,
Well, I'll take some of those too. All right, now back to our normal broadcast, folks. I was trying to do some filming there, but it's so windy. It's pretty tough. Of course, the first time I filmed the video, my mic wasn't on, and so I'm probably just going to use the GoPro footage. But yeah, these vents are super cool. Really enjoying using them so far. Gonna have to go and register the warranty for these guys. Do that at the end of the job. Good. And all right, now let's cut this hip back. Right on. Okay, Johnny. Let's we're gonna do a section of cap, okay?
okay.
And that'll be pretty much it for today.
Oh,
Dude. Oh, Miss Hannah Banana. Just cutting hips, cutting hips all day. Oh, we're cutting hips all the doo-dah day. Oh, missing a shingle.
your place down there?
Yep.
Which side?
My left.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. It'll all wash away. She's gonna be, I mean, it's already super windy, but we gotta make sure this is all nice and watertight. So I think for Monday of next week, we'll tackle the front of the house and maybe the bottom porch. I know on Tuesday we're expecting a decent amount of rain, so I'm not sure how much I'll open up, but I mean, I'm confident we can, you know, tear this all off on Monday, you know, and get it all installed. It's really not that big of a side, so we'll probably do that, and then we'll see if we can fit in the front porch. We'll see how the weather looks, because, you know, it always changes, you know, the days leading up to the actual rain, and sometimes we just end up getting nothing. So we'll just see how it is on Monday. Hopefully we can get some work done on Tuesday. If not, we will continue Wednesday and tackle this triangle, all the capping, and the back porch. So still quite a bit of work to do, but you know, I have to keep in mind we've been playing around with the filming and, you know, getting some content with our lifetime tool flashings and the, you know, the new solar vents and everything. So all right, we're gonna go help everybody get cleaned up down there so we can get out of here. Long time no see. Oh, thank you. Have we looked over the back deck?
Yeah.
What is that? Why is there a pylon strapped to my roof?
No, babe, leave it. It's so much fun.
I'm not leaving it strapped to my roof.
Why not?
Because, yeah, she looks good though. Did you guys get your hat? You did? All right. You got 3?
We can take more hats.
I got tons of hats. You want some more? Or they just see, they just both throw one at me.
How about that one? You want that one too?
There you go.
All right.
How many
There
do
you
you
go.
I'm doing you a favor, right?
Yeah, thanks, John. You too. All right, guys. Hannah and I are back home. That is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys back on Monday when we continue off where we left from on this video. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.